The Measuring Communities online portal enables you to view the house data in 3 different ways: table, graph, or map. The map format is appropriate when you want to compare data from many counties, view multiple indicators at one time, or create a visual to help identify gaps. Maps are available in a single topic area. The Master Map contains data from all topics. Enter the site through the Topics tab, or the search function. For example, if you're wanting information about mental health facilities, type in mental health in the search bar. Once on the Topics tab, select your topic. Next, click on the map directly, or click View Data. The map is the quickest way to get the data, but the View Data selection shows all the available data for the topic area. If you choose the View Data, select the Map tab. The map will load and show what indicators are available, and click OK. Next, I'll select the indicators from the layer list on the right. Be sure to click through each down arrow to load the data indicator on the map. After the selections, you can use the search bar to isolate a certain state or county, or just zoom into a region. Click on a county or any location-based indicator to get the data. You can view the data from more than one county by using the chart feature. You have the option to view the selected data on all of the counties currently showing on the map. A bar chart will appear for the highlighted counties. Scroll over the bars to get the data. Or you have the option to view the selected data on a geography of your choosing. Click on one of the icons to choose your shape and create your geography. A chart will appear for your highlighted counties. You can download data through the attribute table at the bottom of the map. Select the indicator and options for how you would like to view or filter the data. You are also able to print your map using the print icon.